Hold on to your handlebars because you're about to witness the rebirth of a legendary juice bike, the new Scorpion X2. This exhilarating e-bike is the latest addition to our fan favorite Scorpion series and is fully loaded with awesome features you won't find on any other bike in its class. Available in electric blue, black, and a new color, lava. You'll definitely turn some heads cruising on this timeless moped-style e-bike. Beauty meets beast in the form of the Scorpion Savage 1,000-watt motor with 1,300 watts of peak power. This powerful motor can propel this Scorpion to speeds up to 28 miles per hour in pedal assist and 20 miles per hour on throttle alone. You can customize your riding experience on the fly by adjusting the power assist levels via the advanced LCD. This convenient display also shows you crucial info like your speed, mileage, and battery level. With so much intoxicating power always on tap and under your complete control, you'll enjoy breathtaking acceleration and effortless hill climbing whenever and wherever you need it. Supplying all the juice to this potent motor is a 52-volt, 15.6 amp-hour G2 battery pack that lets you ride up to 55+ miles on a single charge. This beefy battery features design upgrades like a convenient charge status indicator, a compartment for storing your Apple AirTag, and the industry's best battery fire safety rating. You'll ride further and more confidently with this bigger and better battery pack. Beyond a powerful motor and battery, you'll find loads of other gotta-have-it features on the Scorpion. We've heard the feedback from our riders and have upgraded this beast with all-terrain knobby fat tires for a more comfortable ride and convenient grip on any terrain. To ensure your stopping power matches the motor's power, the Scorpion boasts premium front and rear hydraulic disc brakes. When you're riding an electric bike as brutally fast as this one, you'll be thankful that these high-performance brakes deliver strong and reliable stopping power. For added versatility, we've equipped the Scorpion with a slick 7-speed transmission that helps make conquering hills a breeze. This model comes packed with incredible safety features like a rear integrated brake light and a super bright 2,000 lumen headlight for riding at night. You'll also love all the functional features that this e-bike has. Standard equipment includes a rear rack, perfect for storing your groceries, and a full front and rear fender kit to protect your shiny bike and clean clothes from dirt and debris during rides. This bike also comes with a USB port for charging your phone on the go, and thanks to its step-through frame and the 300-pound weight capacity, a wider range of riders can hop on and enjoy this two-wheeled thrill ride. The Scorpion X2 is a perfect sidekick for your adventures, packing an irresistible blend of comfort, convenience, safety, and performance. Want more details on the Scorpion? Check out our website at juicebikes.com. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any more epic e-bike content.